definitely like to take this opportunity to thank BioAsia for the theme that they have selected for the conference here, biologics and biosimilars. I think it is opportune that minds come together, discuss the issues, the challenges, besides the large, huge opportunity that awaits all of you in the field of biologics and biosimilars. Of course, we all know for a fact that the biotechnology sector of India is probably the third largest besides besides China and Australia. And of course, she continues to triple in size in the last 5 years. And with the exception of a few large diversified companies, the bulk of the industry, as you are all aware, consists of small and medium enterprises, many of whom are engaged in contract services and vaccines areas. These are the areas where India continues to have significant competitive advantages. And the last year, India has seen some remarkable deals and partnerships and collaborations in biotech space, leading to India being recognized as the biotech hub, in addition to being the pharmaceutical and vaccine hub as well. And it is definitely wonderful to know that while biologics market, by all account, is growing substantially, the biosimilars market is also gaining significant importance. This is because today the industry is looking towards launching generic versions of biotech drugs that are known as biosimilars to manage escalating healthcare and also to make healthcare accessible to those masses who are in dire need. The segment is expected to continue outperforming chemical drugs in the global market as more innovative biotech products are likely to deliver new treatment options for growing range of indications such as cancer, multiple sclerosis, diabetes, HIV/AIDS, and so on. Data even suggests that Indian companies are recognizing the tremendous potential of biosimilars, and a number of pharmaceutical companies have sprouted biotech branches primarily to take advantage of this opportunity. Biologics, as we all know, provides us a whole world of opportunities beyond pharmaceuticals. Biologicals, instead of being synthesized using chemical reactions, they are derived, which I don't have to really emphasize here and relate to you, but they are derived from protein of animals and human